Hey guys, as you can tell, I got 2 of the Wave 5 NASCAR Authentics die casts. Earnhardt Jr.'s test car, and Kevin Harvick's Jimmy John's. So, I'm gonna go from the Outback Steakhouse car to this car for Kevin Harvick. He might still run the Outback car, but probably not as much, because I've been meaning to get this one. I just wanted to get it like earlier in the year, but I don't know. So I'm probably gonna be getting a lot of die casts at Christmas. So like I did last year, I'll make videos. So let's get to unboxing now. See, I still don't understand what they do with these. If it's like just to hold the car in place, or I don't know. So, pretty nice paint scheme. I think the Jimmy John's. I think the Jimmy John's logo on the hood, that could probably be a little bit bigger. But other than that, it's actually fairly decent. So I recommend going and getting this one. Have comparing the sides, this is probably like, I like NASCAR Authentics just a little bit more than I like Lionel, because I think NASCAR Authentics has a little bit better quality on their cars. I'm going to have to put something in the title now that says warning. Hopefully you guys didn't hear that. It's probably older people watching my videos anyways, but still. Yeah, so there's the box in the fast food segment. So we got 2 cars from the fast food segment. We got Jamie McMurray. Actually 3. Jamie McMurray. Got 4. Jamie McMurray. What's his face? This guy Junior. Not that car. Gordon, and we got Harvick now. So yeah. Got that. Alright, and next is I'm actually really debating on whether I should open this or not. So yeah, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna open this. Hopefully, don't regret this later, but it hurts me to open this. No, it doesn't. Well, this is worth absolutely nothing now. Yeah, I was thinking about not opening this, but yeah, so okay, this is nice. This is you guys might not think that it's great just because it's a test car and it has there's nothing on it. It's still really cool. I would recommend actually going and getting one of these. It's really cool. So yeah, here's what it looks like on the 88 logo. The National Guard. That's perfect. The National Guard logo. And that. I don't know what 3C is. It says right there on the back, it says 3C. I don't know what that is. If it's like, I don't know. Oh no, it's a 30. It's 30, and then the Hendrick Motorsports, 1984 through 2014. You probably cannot see that, but like 30 years. Yeah. So there's the box in the test car series. They might make a Danica Patrick one. I think that's what they said. Yeah, I think it'd be cool if they made like a rookie pack with like Justin Allgaier, Austin Dillon, Kyle Larson, and all the rookies from the top series. Or like truck series diecast, that'd be cool. Yeah. Alright, well, that's it for this video, so